Unlock extra cash side hustles you can start today. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Financial Freedom Academy. Today we're diving into the world of side hustles and how you can boost your income in your spare time. Whether you're saving up for a down payment, paying off student loans, or just want to treat yourself, having a side hustle can make all the difference. Let's get started. The power of the side hustle. Gone are the days of relying solely on a 9-to-5 job. A side hustle is like that trusty friend who always has your back. It's an extra layer of financial security, a safety net that can catch you if things get tough. What if you suddenly lose your job, or face unexpected bills? A side hustle can provide peace of mind. But it's not just about the money. A side hustle can also be an incredible tool for personal growth. Think about it. You get to explore new skills, discover hidden talents, and step outside of your comfort zone. Maybe your side hustle can even turn into your full-time gig. So, are you ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive into some side hustle ideas. Freelancing, your skills, your time, your rates. Let's talk about freelancing. This is one of my personal favorites. With freelancing, you're your own boss. You set your hours, choose your clients, and work from anywhere. Plus, the earning potential is limitless. Are you a wordsmith? Content writing is booming right now. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger are fantastic places to find writing gigs. If you've got a knack for visuals, graphic design is another lucrative option. Businesses need logos, social media graphics, and marketing materials. Maybe you're a tech whiz, web development and coding are in high demand. Think about your existing skills and how you can monetize them. The more you learn and grow, the more valuable you become as a freelancer. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about the gig economy. This is perfect if you're looking for something flexible with minimal startup costs. Have a car? Platforms like Uber and Lyft let you become a ride-sharing driver. If you'd rather avoid traffic, food delivery services like DoorDash and Uber Eats are always looking for drivers. Feeling handy? TaskRabbit connects you with people who need help with odd jobs. The beauty of the gig economy is that you can fit it around your existing schedule. The choice is yours. Chapter 4. Have you always dreamed of starting your own business? The internet has made it easier than ever. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify are perfect for selling handmade crafts or unique designs. You can turn your passion into a profitable side hustle. Maybe you're a whiz at finding amazing deals. Start an e-commerce business by sourcing products in bulk and selling them at a markup. If you have a knack for marketing, dropshipping is another exciting option. The key to success in e-commerce is to find a niche market and offer high-quality products. Provide excellent customer service. Chapter 5. Who doesn't love the idea of making money while you sleep? Passive income is the holy grail of side hustles. One popular passive income stream is dividend investing. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn a portion of a company's profits. Real estate is another lucrative avenue for passive income. You can invest in rental properties and generate monthly cash flow. If you have a knack for creating valuable content, starting a blog or YouTube channel can generate passive income. The key is to choose a niche you're passionate about and consistently create high-quality content. Passive income requires upfront work, but can be a game changer for your financial future. Outro. There you have it. 5 amazing side hustle ideas that can boost your income and help you achieve financial freedom. Remember, the best side hustle for you depends on your skills, interests, and financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on achieving financial freedom. See you in the next video.